What are you doing? What you guys doing? Oh, look at you. Come here. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here.
What are you guys doing?
Oh, look at the red tail. He always got the waggly tail. Oh, boy. Oh, boy.
Literally just put them out here.
Oh, boy.
I'm not sure what they're going to do.
What you guys doing?
Come on, guys.
Oh, you got the happy tail, huh, Black?
Aww. Hello, Becky.
What is it? What is it, buddy?
Look at that tail.
Oh, what you doing? What you want?
You see, I got the happy tail, that's for sure.
What is it? You're my little buddy, huh? Yeah, I know it.
Hello, red boy.
Oh, there's the blue. There's the blue boy. Oh.
Hey, blue. There's red. Come here, black boy. Come here.
You get a good shot of his face with him sitting there like that.
I'll zoomed in on him. Hi, baby. Hey, big boy. What you guys
We
doing?
went out of the prison.
See, we just got out of prison and you put us right back in a different prison.
We went out of the prison, huh? Oh, that's my sweet boy right there. Oh, I love
Aww. Yeah, some sweet babies.